This is the Go Pop True Wireless Earbuds by JLab. This is an Amazon purchase. So far, 5,000 people bought this in the past month. So this has good reviews as well. It's like 4.4 stars. And I'm showing you just quick unboxing, a setup, and pairing it with your phone. I'm pairing it with an Android phone and then charging. Here's the box that came with it, and when you open it, it's just this gonna be the earbuds inside the pod. So this came in the rose color, which is actually a nice red color, a nice shade of red, and of course it has the manual. One of the what that one is very small, but the actual manual, the quick setup manual actually has a big print, so that should work. So it has, that's the earbuds. So if you take it out, there's four extra soft buds for you to replace it with later on. And the good thing with this is the USB charger is attached. So it's a well thought unit item, because otherwise you'd lose it, right? So it's attached, so you can charge it with the pod and you don't have to look for it later on. And that's the JLab quick start guide, which is very helpful because it has pictures in it. It's very, very easy to just follow through. So I'm gonna do the pairing first and just quickly showing you that manual with that picture of pairing. So when you're starting to pair it, it wouldn't pair. You'd have to open the pod and take it out, and take out there's there's a seal there you need to take out, and then take the earbuds out of the pod. The earbuds should light red, and then the pod, it will quickly show a blue color. That means it's ready to pair. So just take it out, and next is you will need to have the your phone change the settings on your Bluetooth to make sure that it scans. So turn your Bluetooth on your phone. So I'm placing it back just to show you the red quick red light that comes up, so you're not gonna see it, but in the instructions it will show that it's solid red if it's already charged. So the manual again has clear instructions on pairing the unit to your phone. So here it is. So one earbud will blink blue or white, indicating ready to pair to your device. And then in your device, right? So I have the Android phone. So once it's ready to pair, you're gonna see two options. So you want to find the JLab Go Pop Plus and click on it. As soon as you click on it, it's gonna go start pairing, and you just have to agree to it, like Bluetooth pairing request. You're gonna pair, or you can cancel if you want. And then it will ask you to save the device to your phone if you want. So it's an option for you. I saved it, and then here it is. It's all there. It says JLab Go Pop Plus plus the name of your phone, and then that's the earbud. So I'm actually trying it on to see if it works really well, which it really did. With the Amazon reviews, there's actually 5,000 people who already purchased it within the month, or within the last month. So on the earbuds, you do have a control of it. So on the left one, you can do the volume down. So you have that. On the right side, you can do a couple of functions as well, which I did try, and it was easy. So the functions of the earbuds, it's going to be on that guide. So you'll be able to just tap it or the left or the right to turn the volume up, or like you can play a song and then it moves forward. And then in order for you to have control of the earbuds as well, is you can download the app on your phone if you want, the JLab app. And here I'm showing you the how to disconnect. So you can just disconnect it by going to your Bluetooth, but here's the app which I'm quickly installing. So you can just find it in your Google Play if you have Android phone, which I do have right now being installed on an Android phone, the Z Flip 6. Or if you have iPhone, you can go to the Apple store, and you can set it to allow notifications. If you don't want, you don't have to. It's the app is for you to be able to have control, to have some to see the functions, so you'll be able to understand it better. So here's the earbuds. They do have a headphone brand, so of course you will need to pick the earbuds picture, and then that's the one you would have to allow, to make sure that it's gonna look for your device, and then make sure that you click on the correct model, which is the Go Pop Plus. Mine is rose colored, but on that one it's black, so you can just click on it. That's the Go Pop Plus. Make sure you click it. Here it is. It's already, that's the app for the earbuds. You want to make sure, because it was closed, and there's an instruction there about a version, so if you don't see it, that's fine, but just make sure that you follow that instruction. That's why I'm showing this, because it says to look for V2. It's probably version 2, but this one doesn't have that code that they want us to see. So I'm just showing you, that's the bottom of the pod, like the earbuds case or the charger. And here's the app. So it's going to show you the status of your earbuds, if it's charged or not. Those are the functions. You can change the equalizer there, the volume. So you have that option if you want. So that's the purpose of you downloading the app. You don't have to if you don't want, but it's just if you want to be specific about the volume, the equalizer, and you want to know the controls if somehow you lost the manual. That's a helpful tool, which is the app. And then you need the app actually, because you have to make sure that you also update the software or the firmware. So that's the only way you can. So as soon as you connect it to the Bluetooth, it's gonna check for updates. And here it is, the last part of the manual. It's just gonna show you how you can charge it, which I am doing and I'm showing you quickly. It does not come with a plug for charging, so you do have that attachment for USB there. So all you need to do is, what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to disconnect it, making sure that I disconnected it. But here you charge it, I have that plug, and then just charge it. You know that it's charging, it's blinking, not blinking, but blinking. And that's it.